Selenium using Python, Geckodriver executable needs to be in path. I'm new to programming and started with Python about 2 months ago and am going over Sweegart's automate the boring stuff with Python text. I'm using idle and already installed the Selenium module and the Firefox browser. Whenever I tried to run the WebDriver function, I get this exception. During handling of the above exception, another exception occurred. I think I need to set the path for Geckodriver, but I am not sure how, so how would I do this?
Selenium.common.exceptions.webDriver exception. Message, Geckodriver executable needs to be in path. First of all, you will need to download latest executable Geckodriver from here to run latest Firefox using Selenium. Actually, the Selenium client bindings tries to locate the Geckodriver executable from the system path. You will need to add the directory containing the executable to the system path. On Unix systems, you can do the following to append it to your system's search path, if you're using a bash-compatible shell. On Windows, you will need to update the path system variable to add the full directory path to the executable Geckodriver manually or command line. Don't forget to restart your system after adding executable Geckodriver into system path to take effect. The principle is the same as on Unix. Now you can run your code same as you're doing as below. Selenium.common.exceptions.webDriver exception. Message, expected browser binary location, but unable to find binary in default location. No mouse Firefox options.binary capability provided, and no binary flag set on the command line. The exception clearly states you have installed Firefox some other location while Selenium is trying to find Firefox and launch from the default location, but it couldn't find it. You need to provide explicitly Firefox installed binary location to launch Firefox as below. This URL. For Windows. Download the file from GitHub, extract it, and paste it in Python file. It worked for me. This URL. For me, my path is.
This solved it for me.
This step solved it for me on Ubuntu and Firefox 50. Download Geckodriver. Copy Geckodriver to folder/use/local/bin. You do not need to add.
I see the discussions still talk about the old way of setting up Geckodriver by downloading the binary and configuring the path manually. This can be done automatically using WebDriver Manager. Now the above code in the question will work simply with the below change.
that causes headache.